Hello, good day viewers. Once again, you're welcome back. And this virtual video, we're going to look at a problem on simultaneous equation. But before then, I want a review from you. I want you to leave a comment once you go through this video. I need comment from people, so that I can improve on myself. And beside that, I also want you to subscribe and share, to other platforms. Okay. Now the question before us is 3e plus f all over 3f minus e is equals to 2 over 5. Evaluate e plus 3f all over f minus 3e. Okay, this question, looking at it, is the best way to handle it, to resolve it, is to obtain a pair of equations, that is simultaneous equation from it, and thereafter, after solving for the values of e and f, then we rightly substitute them into this. That's what they ask us to do. See, evaluate e plus 3f, so the value of e obtained here, you substitute it here, and that of f as well. So what we do first here, a typical question of this nature should be expressed in this form. So here we obtain equation 1 and 2 from this particular equation. So here we have this will become 3e plus f is equals to 2. This will form our equation 1. From equation 1, and the numerator of the left hand side must be equal to the numerator of the right hand side. That will give us our equation 1. Okay, here the denominator of the left hand side must be equal to the denominator of the right hand side. Okay, so here our equation 2 becomes 3f minus e is equals to 5. This will form the basis for equation 2. Once this kind of question comes your way, this is the first thing you do. You have to express it so that you can obtain simultaneous from it. Then you cannot decide to solve this equation using any of the method, either elimination or substitution method. Okay, now let's use the substitution method by making f subject of the formula from equation 1. Okay, we say make f the subject of the formula from equation 1. Okay, so from equation 1, if we are making f the subject of the formula, that means f will be on the left hand side and 3e will move to the right hand side. Here 3e is plus, as it's crossing this sign of equality, it become minus. So here we say f is equals to 2 minus 3e, and usually this will form equation 3, like I said in the previous video. So this is our equation 3. What we need to do, we substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Here what you need to do, you don't need to substitute this equation 3 into the initial equation that you used to make f the subject of the formula. So that mistake should be avoidable. Okay, here anywhere we see f in equation 2, we will put 2e minus 3, 2 minus 3e. Okay, so we say put equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, and our equation 2 is this. So we will put, anywhere we see f here, we'll put 2 minus 3e. So here we have equation 2 is 3f minus e, so we have a 3 open brackets. In place of f, we are substituting 2 minus 3e. We'll close our bracket, minus e is equals to 5. Okay, this is our equation 2. We have put the f is equals to 2 minus 3e into equation 2. Here we open this bracket by distributing 3 within the bracket. So 3 times 2, that will give us 6. So 3 times minus 3e, that will give us minus 9e. And here we have an e before, so minus e, and that will give us equal to 5. Okay, here minus 9e minus e. Okay, negative, negative, though they will increase, but the negative sign will still be there. So here we have 6 minus 10e is equals to 5. Okay, so here what we need to do, we are looking for e here. Alright, so what we need to do, we call it like terms. This constant here will move to the right hand side. So this is plus as it's moving to the right hand side, or it will become negative. So we say collect like terms. So here we have a minus 10e is equals to 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, that will give us minus 1. So minus 10e is equals to minus 1. So we divide both sides. We look at the coefficient of e here is minus 10. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of e. So we divide both sides by minus 10. Minus 10. Right hand side minus 10. So here, so e becomes minus, go with minus. So e becomes 1 all over 10. So our e here is equals to 1 over 10. So we put the value. Here we say put let me put it here. Put the value of e into equation 3. So equation 3 is f is equals to 2 minus 3e. So by the time we substitute, we'll put the value of e equals to 1 over e is equals to 1 over 10 in place of e here. So 2 minus 3 times 1 over 10. So that f is equals to 2 minus 3 over 10. Here is a simple fraction. So we need to find the LCM of 1 and 10. And quickly, if we do that, this becomes 10. 10 divided by 1 is 10. 10 times 2, that will give us 20. This sign minus here. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So our f becomes 17 all over 10. So this is the value of f. Okay, but it said we should find e plus 3f and f minus 3e. Okay, all right, now your e is already 1 over 10. So e plus 3f all over f minus 3e will becomes, in place of e here, we have a 1 over 10 plus 3f. 3f, f is 17 over 10 all over f. F is 17 over 10 minus 3e minus 3 times 1 over 10. So if we evaluate it, this becomes 1 over 10 plus 51. 3 times 17 is 51 over 10 all over 17 over 10 minus 3 over 10. Okay, since the denominator, they are the same here, so here we be 52 over 10 all over 14 over 10. So quickly, we can do this. We are saying 52 over 10 divide 14 over 10. So what we'll do 5 by 5 and near by near here. So here we say the whole of this can also be written as 52 times 10 all over 10 times 14. Okay, 10 go with 10. Yeah. Here 2 here is 7. 2 here is 2 in 52. 2 in 52. 2 in 2 in 5 is 2 remainder 1. So here will give us 26. Okay. So our final answer here, we can now say that E plus 3F all over F minus 3E is equals to 26 over 7. 26 over 7, or we can simply express this as mixed fraction. This is 3 whole number. 3 whole number of 5 over 7. So that's the value of E plus 3F, then all over F minus 3E. But in the instance, we want to know whether if we are correct in our working. If we put the value of E here, let's see. So have a E, 3E here, 3 times 1 over 10 plus F is 17 over 10. Okay, here is 3F. 3F is that is 51 over 10 minus 1 over 10. Okay, here this is 20 over 10 all over 50 over 10. So we can see here this is 2, this is 5. You see that to show that our answer is very accurate. So we've seen that the value of E and F, they are correct by checking first. Okay, so given this kind of equation, all you need to do is to see that the numerator on the left hand side is equals to the numerator of the right hand side. Then the numerator of the denominator on the left hand side is equivalent to the denominator of the right hand side. Then you apply the necessary process of solving simultaneous equation. Then finally you check to see if your answer is accurately correct. But please, all you need to help me do, like I said initially, help me subscribe and also share to other platform. Thank you and have a nice time.